inner damping system. The special piston makes the piston very fast to here, but come back very gently, so the piston won't bump to this way, so which reduce the 90% of vibration. This is designed for replacing 3x, 4x, and 5x. So if you put like this is 3x, 4x, 5x, and there's a special one that's you can use this for the aiming or for the initial work. The maximum power is this for replacing 5x of traditional riveting hammer. Now we're going to see the controllability of this riveting hammer. So I'll put it very slowly. So this is the teasing trigger here. Very slow. Teasing hammer, even you put the maximum force to the here, it still can start it very slowly. I'm testing the traditional 5x, so that's 3x, 4x. Oh, whoops. So you can see the vibration. The maximum the power is the same as 5x. Okay. You can see the vibration lower, and the most benefit is that the tool don't bump this way. So if it don't bump, it's easy to aiming on the target. Then it's like traditional one, you put it on target, but it's just bumping, so you can't focus on it. But our new tool is not bumping, so it's very easy to target to the target that you are riveting.